this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen layout on your Motorola phone. So what we want to do is just swipe down from the top right. So if we swipe down from the top right, we can go to Settings, scroll on down to All Apps, and choose this and locate the apps. And look for something called Moto App Launcher. So it could be something that says Launcher in it too. Just go through this list. And we can find it right about here. Moto App Launcher. So if we clear the storage on here, storage and cache, we want to clear the data here. So clear storage, clear cache, and this will delete everything. Now when we go back to the home screen, it should reset everything back to normal. And it says ready to go. And then you can see I moved this little application up here and it's reset in the bottom right now. So that's how you reset your home screen on your Motorola phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.